Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Richie back with another video, right? And today, we just got a quick unboxing. Shout out to Wahl. They sent me something. We're gonna open and see what it is. I think it's the new Senior 2.0, right? But before we get into what's in the box, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? Now, we all know what the Seniors are. They're a staple in the barber industry over hundreds some odd years, right? And then the world went to cordless, right? And some of the companies did feel like they was getting somewhat left behind when some of the newer companies were making more cordless clippers. And then it seemed like the legend companies were kind of like trying to play catch up. And instead of bringing out newer clippers to take on what's going on out there, they was kind of putting their name on products, but really wasn't. I wouldn't say they were bad, but they, it's a little standard when you got so many options to choose from once it come to the cordless, right? So Wahl brought out I don't remember if the cordless Senior was first or the Magic Clip was first. I don't know, but they had the Magic Clip. I had the Magic Clip for a while. This is the Gold Magic Clip, which was pretty much when they brought the cordless Senior out. The cordless Magic Clip with the gold one was kind of upgraded to the Senior cordless body, like internals and stuff, right? So that is the Gold Magic Clip. I don't have a original cordless Senior here, but nonetheless, all that to say, we have the Senior 2.0 right here, right? Is this out yet? I don't even know. I'm pretty sure it is. If not, it's pre-order. I think it's going to be $229 or is $229. So, come on. While changing the boxing though, little bit of the boxing style right there, all right? That is the box here. It's like 3 ways to charge: USB-C, the power station, and of course plugging it in. The new standard 2.0 blade. Let's get into the box. Of course, you do get the clipper, and we'll get to that in a second and see the weight compared to the Magic Clip that I do have. Charging cable, original Wahl charging cable, nothing different there. You do get the charging stand, which I told y'all I do like when I was using the new trimmer that I had from them. Of course, if you got that, you got the insert, boom, 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 all that right there. You do get the premium guards. Of course, y'all know my favorite guards on the market between all the guards that's out there, right? And then that's pretty much it. And the boxing has changed, but one thing they gonna give you is a comb. One thing Wahl will give you is a comb, right? But let's open this up or get to the clipper. Like I said, this is $229 on the website. It do have click lever, or I don't know how you do it. Boom. So you got the floating lever, right? Then they got this little knob here. You turn, put it in place. Now you got click lever. So now you got the click. Now you got floating. And that was another thing with some of the legend companies that was leaving them behind. I won't say leaving them behind was the click lever. A lot of the companies was moving towards click lever. And that is a thing that, yes, you will get used to cutting with the floating lever, but the click lever was becoming a tool that a lot of people were moving towards. So I like that it's on there though, right? You got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 click lever right there. Boom, change it. Now it's floating. That's pretty cool. I like that. And you see the notches or the where you at here, but it do give you that feel of a Senior, right? That is the body style. Nice little groove there for the fading. I like the way that feel. You got the fingerprints there finger indentions there on the back. There is the charging port. Seeing USB-C on the bottom of a Wahl clipper is kind of interesting. You can see that they're trying to follow what's going on, what's happening. This feels nice. Feels pretty good. Not loud, nice sound. 2.0 blade, that is their fade blade there. But that is the body style. That is the Senior 2.0. We will be putting this to use, seeing how it fade. I'm excited because of the new additions that they having that there. But I feel like we're gonna get a good cut. Wahl clippers have always been, for the most part, pretty decent. So I am excited to use this. This is a brushless motor, 8,000 RPM. You get 2 hours of run time. The feel of this right there is great. Like, it's like the older Legend company is trying to fit in, but still they are not taking away from the feel of who they are, which that's what I like. Still got the metal body. So yeah, brushless motor. It does have the adaptive control, which is when, the ramping up for different textures of hair. So you shouldn't be able to, or you shouldn't need to slow down too much to go through the hair. It should be able to sense when it's time to turn up, cool down, right? As far as speed, right? So I like it. I do like the feel of this, right? It feels nice. And I'm probably going to just keep it on the click lever. Now, most people probably will keep it. If you like the click lever, you're probably going to more than often just keep it on the click lever. And if you like floating, you're probably just going to turn it and keep it on floating. I don't see too many people going back and forth, but I would like to see how many times you have to do that before it starts to get weak or get stuck on one thing, right? But Wahl Senior 2.0, we're going to put it to use. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. And we'll be back with another review, another tutorial, another unboxing, another something. All right? Peace.